Hello viewers, on today's news. When the chair of the Norwegian Nobel Committee announced the winner of the Peace Prize, Narges Mohammadi, she recited a slogan associated with the women's rights movement in Tran. Women, life, freedom, Berit Reiss-Andersen said on Friday. Mohammed is a prominent Iranian human rights activist and physicist who has been fighting against the oppression of women in Iran. Here is what we know about the Nobel Peace Prize winner. Mohammadi's focus is on the fight for women's rights in the region. The 51-year-old is also a writer and deputy director of the Defenders of Human Rights Center (DHRC). She also works on broader human rights issues, such as campaigning against the death penalty and corruption. She has worked for human rights for everyone in Iran. So this is going to be a huge boost to the Human Rights Defenders Center, and one that is putting her work in Iran on the map, Henrik Erdl, director of the Peace Research Institute, told sources. Mohammadi won the prize for her fight against the oppression of women in Iran and her fight to promote human rights and freedom for all, according to the Norwegian Nobel Committee. She has worked on Iranian women's fight against oppression for the past 30 years. She has contributed to the grassroots movement in Iran by empowering women through education and advocacy. Her work has included organizing protests and sit-ins and writing essays. Mohammadi is currently serving a 12-year sentence in Evin prison in Tehran for charges that include spreading propaganda against the state. This is not Mohammadi's first sentence. She was first arrested in 2011 and held in Evin. She was again arrested in 2015, days after she was charged in court with crimes against national security, propaganda against the state, and forming an illegal group called Step by Step to stop the death penalty. The regime has arrested her 13 times, convicted her 5 times, and sentenced her to a total of 31 years in prison and 154 lashes, Reiss-Andersen said at the announcement ceremony in Oslo, Norway. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.